What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. What is Pi network? Is it legit or is it a scam? Should you download it on your phone and start mining? Should you trust it? In this video we are going to answer all of these questions. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. So the Pi network is a mobile mining app, a mining cryptocurrency on your phone. It's a very similar idea to B network. Now if you don't know what B network is, then I suggest you wait for my next video as I will be discussing about the B network. The B network actually came after the Pi network. The Pi network was the original mobile mining app, where the B network came after. Actually, the B network is growing very fast than the Pi network. So if you want to know more about the B network, then that will be our next video. In addition to information technology tutorials, I will also be publishing videos about online earning. So if you are interested in such stuff, then smash that subscribe button right now. So without wasting your time, let's go. To start mining Pi network, you need to be referred by someone, which means once you download and install the Pi network app on your mobile phone, you will need an invitation code to start mining. My referral code for the Pi network is ziamaliky, and I will make sure to put it in the video description box as well. You don't have to use my referral code if you don't want. You can use someone else's code in the comment section. It's completely your choice. And also it is totally up to you whether you want to download this app on your phone or not. In the last couple of days, I have been researching about the Pi network as much as I could, trying to understand what is it exactly that everyone is going crazy about it. So first of all, what exactly is a Pi network? Pi is a new cryptocurrency for everyday people that can mine or earn from your phone. It's the same idea as Bitcoins. We have got dollars, we have got pounds, and now we have digital currency like Bitcoins and possibly Pi. One thing to know is that it is not currently a digital currency that you can buy or sell for real money. Phase 1 was where the original users got invited. In this phase, people were encouraged to adopt it. The more people that adopt the Pi currency, the more it will worth. Phase 1 was like the advertising round, means get the word out there to the world and spread the word. Phase 2, which is what we are now, it started on June 27, 2020. This is the phase where the testnet is run. It's going to become the main net in phase 3. The Pi nodes are going to be tested in this phase. So it's in the experimental phase for the Pi network wallet. It's a big trial and error process. The core team is constantly doing different changes to make it better. In this phase, only a selected number of people can transfer Pi to different members. If you complete the KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer process, in KYC step, you need to provide a proof of your identity to show that you are the person that you say you are, and this allows you to transfer your Pi. I joined the Pi network a couple of months ago. At first, I didn't think it would go that far. I thought, well, it's just clicking a button once in 24 hours. And it's not gonna harm me or anything like that, so why not give it a try? And now it has come a long way. In my opinion, it has the best chance of becoming a real valuable cryptocurrency. But in phase 3, the mining will stop, so you can use my referral code which is in the description box and start mining today, because once phase 3 happens, there will be no more Pi coins that can be mined. So if you want to get on the action early, now is the best time to do. The phase 3 will probably happen in late 2021 this year. The big question that arises is how much will the pie be worth? It's really hard to tell. There are speculation everywhere from a few cents to $1. People also think its value is one pie equal to $100. If you see speculations online, on social media or elsewhere, don't take it serious because it's very hard to tell at this point. Remember one thing, that you will have to have the KYC in order to be able to use or transfer the pie. Bitcoin mining is only available on phones and you cannot mine it on your PC like Bitcoins, where you can use the crypto tab to mine Bitcoins. The Pi network has reached to more than 10 million users and it's growing up very fast. These are the founders of Pi network. They are actually 3 graduates from the university. So we have gone through stage 1 and stage 2. So those who have enough Pi now would be able to sell them on the day of launch. It might work or it may not work. Who knows? We have nothing to lose. We can just hope that it's gonna work. Pi has no value right now, but on the day of launch, it's gonna have a value. So in the future, we are going to have various types of cryptocurrencies. So Pi will work alongside them in the future. So to get the app, just go to your Play Store and download and install the app on your phone. For the first time, you will be asked to sign up with your Facebook or phone number. When you sign up, you will be given 1 Pi if you use my referral code. I will put it up on the screen and also in the description box. It will start mining without you being online, and you need to click here once every 24 hours. And that's all you need. Make sure your name on the account is real name, as you have on your identity verification document. During the KYC process, you won't be able to change this, and it might result in losing all your Pi. So make sure you correct your name for the KYC process. Once it's launched, then you can sell your Pi or keep it to grow with the market. So that's all I have in this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any questions regarding the Pi network, make sure you put them in the comment box and I will try to answer them as soon as I get some time. Till next video, it's goodbye.